Alright folks, Tim here from High End Cheap Tech, and we definitely have some high-end cheap tech to talk about today. You might be wondering why we're looking at Flipkart, which is an India site. Well, they're going to release this phone from Poco, or PocoPhone, which is a division of Xiaomi, or Xiaomi, however you pronounce it. And it will be released in India first. Let's go over the specs really quick in case you haven't heard about this phone. 6 gig of RAM, 64 gig onboard storage. You can stick a micro SD card up to 256 gig in it. 6.1 inch display, dual cameras at the back, a 4,000 milliamp battery, IPS display by the way. We'll get to the specs in a second. Here's the important one. Yes. For the price, which I took the liberty of looking up, that's roughly, right now, about an hour ago I brought this page up, $301 US. Of course, we have it currently up here in rupees. You can get it in a couple of colors. They do have higher end versions with 128 gig on board and 256 if you need that much. The killer here is you're getting a QualComm 845 Snapdragon. Yeah, this is like flagship stuff, or at least higher end, $500 plus stuff. This is really going to upset the apple cart. No reflection on Apple itself. We're talking the Huawei's, the Samsungs, the Apples, even the OnePlus 6. I haven't seen a real hands-on full review yet, with all the details. But let's face it, the specs are super good. It's a good looking phone. It's got the notch. Yeah, we could all do without the notch. Poco by Xiaomi. Alright, now. It's got dual SIMs. 2160 by 1080. IPS. So that's an 18.7 to 9 ratio. Comes with Android 8.1, 2.8 gig, Snapdragon 845 octa-core. Boom! 6 gig of RAM. Well, that kind of puts it on par with Samsung S9 Plus. Sure, you don't get the display. Don't care. If you're buying a phone for basic use, and you're like most of us, you might shoot videos. Now I shoot them at work all the time, but I use an 8 megapixel camera, and mine looks just fine. If you're not a snob about the cameras, but you want to play games, 845 Snapdragon processor, you can play PUBG to your heart's content and highest settings, and you'll have a good time. 20 megapixel if you insist on taking your own picture a lot. Front shooter. It has face unlock. It has fingerprint unlock. It has voice over LTE. And 4G LTE, and it's GSM. Now, what's on Flipkart currently is probably going to be pretty much set for India. But they're going to be the ones getting it first. Their income levels are a little lower than some of the rest of the world, but for them, this makes an affordable flagship. Where a Samsung or a Apple or a Huawei P20 are just totally out of the question. And for anyone with any common sense, $300 if you just play games on your phone and watch videos. Hello, you're in. Yes, it has a notch, but you can learn to ignore the notch when you're getting a price this low. So I watched a couple of videos today. Let's see. This guy, ASBYT, does pretty good videos. He's talking about how this thing could upset, the whole world of flagships and mid-rangers, things like that, and it might even hurt Xiaomi's own sales. But maybe they got that all planned out. Who knows? First off, that's why they're selling it under a different name. We don't know, but I'll link this video in the description below. A good one. And then of course Lou over at Unbox Therapy, he got sent the Armored Edition Global ROM already. You can't find this thing for sale anywhere. Not the Global ROM one he got. So hopefully he'll stick a SIM card in it if he gets enough pressure. And he did a few photos. So watch his video and check it out. And just keep in mind, this is definitely high-end cheap tech. $300 folks. $300. You're not going to beat that for a QualComm 845 powered smartphone. Yeah, you'll have to give up your AMOLED display. Okay, you'll have to give up your triple cameras. Okay, well, once again, you ain't John Ford doing a movie, and you ain't Ansel Adams taking photographs. Most people take snapshots and selfies. So, get your mind right. If you're a gamer though, you may love this thing. So I'm going to leave it at that for the day and say thanks for watching. I'll try to do some follow-ups when and if they release it on the global side and where it's available, because right now I've checked GearBest, Banggood, Geekbuy, AliExpress, not a whisper. There may be other sites. If you know one, put it in the comments. Tell us about it. If you know when the global ROM's going to get released, tell us about it. I went to the Xiaomi website for the US, and apparently Xiaomi's done something to piss us off, because they don't even show smartphones on their US website. They show all their other stuff, which they're allowed to sell here. I'm not sure if they're still not kind of persona non grata in the US. That doesn't mean you can't get it from, a Chinese site, an India site, or a German or wherever site. But it may be a little hard to find in North America. Who knows? Maybe the Canadians can get it already. They get along with everyone, as long as they have beer. So I'm going to leave it at that, and I'm just going to say thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to share this, and please leave a comment. Tell me what you thought of the video. If you liked it, tell us why. If you give us a thumbs down, that's cool. Put it in the comments and tell us why. I'm alright with that. And on that note, I'm going to just say have a great weekend. Happy Saturday. That's it. Thanks for watching.